The liver is different from most other organs in your body because it can repair itself to a degree after it's been damaged by alcohol use. Of course, it's best never to damage your liver with alcohol in the first place. But according to doctors at the Mayo Clinic, you can enjoy alcoholic beverages without compromising your health as long as you drink moderately. Moderately generally means up to 1 drink a day for women and up to 2 drinks a day for men. Examples of 1 drink include the following: beer, 12 fluid ounces or 355 milliliters. Wine, 5 fluid ounces or 148 milliliters. Distilled spirits at 80 proof, 1.5 fluid ounces or 44 milliliters. Exceeding these guidelines day after day, year after year, can take a physical toll on your liver because alcohol kills liver cells. As they die, they're replaced by scar tissue. As more and more scar tissue grows, a liver disease called cirrhosis develops and liver function begins to deteriorate. Some alcohol-related liver damage can be reversed if you stop drinking in the early stages of the disease. If liver damage is relatively slight, you can start healing in a few days or weeks. If the damage is more severe, healing can take several months. If the damage to the liver has been long-term, it may not be reversible. Without treatment, the liver eventually ceases to function, and only a liver transplant can save the patient's life. The purpose of this video has been to provide quick, basic answers to the question, can the liver repair itself after years of drinking? But remember, you should always consult a doctor before making any decisions related to your health or diet.